this video I am going to explain how to draw an ellipse using concentric circle method. So if you haven't watched any of those basic videos, kindly check it out. The link will be available in the description. So the question given is draw an ellipse using concentric circle method. Major axis equal to 100 mm, minor axis equal to 60 mm. So open Autocad. And the first command you have to give is limits, and the lower left corner should be 210 and upper right corner should be 297. Center. For next command you have to give is units, so the precision should be 0. Press OK. So using Autocad you can draw an ellipse easily using the ellipse command. You can draw it easily like this, but when it's come to a paper method you have to follow some of the rules to draw an ellipse easily. So now I will explain how to draw an ellipse in the drawing sheet. So the first given is major axis of 100 mm and minor axis of 60 mm. So draw a line like this. The center. So go to circle command and draw a circle for 100 mm diameter. So now again go to same point and draw a concentric circle for 60 mm diameter. So now what you have to do is draw the center line. Draw the lines like this, and you can trim it off the extra line. Like this. Go to trim and press this circle and press enter and select this part to trim it off and this part to trim it off. So the next step is you should divide this part 90 degree. So this 90 degree, this quadrant into 3 equal parts. So 90 divided by 3 will be 30. So you have to draw a line for 30 degree. Again go to the line and from here 30 degree. So here it should be 90 plus 30, so 120 degree. So now go to line command again, and from here it should be 120 degree. From this part to here 120 degree. Press enter. Now the next line should be at 150 degree. Now what you have to do is extend those lines. Mm. Now what you have to do is trim the extra parts. So go to trim command and select this circle and press enter, and also select the extra parts to trim it off. Press enter. So the next step you have to do is go to line command and first select this point, select this point, and from here you have to draw like this a right angle triangle, and from this point you have to draw like this. And from this point you have to draw like this, and from this point you have to draw like this. Delete this line. So now again go to the line command, draw like this, from this point to join these 2 points, and the last point to be joined is this one. So draw like this. So now what you have to do is go to arc and first select this point, and next this one, and next this one, and 4th point will be this, 5th point will be this, and 6th point will be this. Next this point, next this one, next this one, next this one, like this. Join all the intersection points. Center and go to trim, click this line, press enter, go to, so now go to trim, select So this is the ellipse we have drawn, so I will relate it to some other color. So that's how you draw an ellipse in a drawing sheet. So this is the major axis circle and this will be the minor axis circle. So that's how you draw an ellipse using concentric circle method. This method is even called as auxiliary circle method. So if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section, and my mail ID is available in the description. You can even mail me, and those doubts will be solved in the upcoming videos.